Hello children, myself Hindu Miss, your maths teacher. So we are continuing our revision. That should be added to minus 3mn plus 4 to get 4mn minus 10. So that should be added. So that question mark. We don't know what should be added. So that is a question should be added to minus 3mn plus 4 to get means equal to 4mn minus. This time we studied so many. What should be added to 3 to get 8? 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So the same we are doing here also. So question mark is equal to this expression minus this we are taking that side. So here it is addition, so opposite operation minus. So that is why this expression it is not a term. You have to give in bracket. Now we are opening the bracket. So first two terms will remain same, 4mn minus 10. Now minus into minus plus 3mn minus into plus minus 4. Now like terms 4mn and 3mn, that is 7mn, both are positive. So we can add. This both are negative, that time also. Minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. So what should be added? 7mn minus 14. 7mn minus 14 should be added. Now what should be subtracted from? So what should be subtracted from means 8a plus 4b. So this will come first. To get means equal to 3a minus. So this type questions also we did like this. Okay, what should be subtracted from 10 to get 6? 10 minus 4 is 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. We are getting that answer. We did such questions, so I am not doing much explanation. So this question mark we are taking that side. So this minus will become plus, and this expression we are bringing this side. So subtraction will come. So minus of this expression you have to give in bracket. Now open the bracket, 8a plus 4b. First expression will remain same because that is before negative side, minus subtraction side. Now when we are opening the bracket, minus into plus minus 3a minus into minus plus 2b is equal to question mark. Now we can simplify like terms. 8a minus 3a is 5a, 4b plus 2b is 6b. So what should be subtracted? 5b plus 6b. 5a plus 6b. So what should be subtracted? 5a plus 6b should be subtracted. Now the value of expression 3m minus 2n when m is equal to 4 and n is equal to minus 3. So we have to write down this expression 3m minus 2n is equal to so in the place of m you have to substitute 4, and in the place of n you have to substitute minus 3. So 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 3. 3 4s are 12, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So value is 18. So what is the value? Is 18. Now simplify. So here bracket is there, so we have to open 4 into x, 4x. 4 into plus 3, bracket means this 4 is for both the terms. This minus 2 is for both the terms. So 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 3, 12. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 4 is plus 8. Now 4x minus 2x, that is 2x. 12 plus 8 is 20. So as soon we are simplifying, we are getting it is 2x plus 20. Now next question, exponential form of 625 with base 25 is dash and base 5 is so 625 we can write 25 into 25. Okay, each 25 we can write 5 into 5. So with base 25 it is 25 square. So with base 25 is 25 square. With base 5 is 5 raised to 4. You know this is the base, this is the power. Here base is 25, power is 2. Here base is 5 and power is 4. Next question, exponential form of 3 into 3 into 3 into a into a into a into a. So 3 times and a 4 times. So you know 3 times mean 3 raised to 3 and a 4 times means a raised to 4. So this is the exponential form of this. So 3 raised to 3 into a raised to 4. Now simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So 9 raised to 8 divided by 9 raised to 3. So here we have to use the second law. 9 raised to 8 minus 3, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, that is 9 raised to 5. Here 8x raised to 6 into x square, that is x raised to 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here we use the first law, a raised to m into a raised to m is equal to a raised to m plus n. Now next question, 3 square whole raised to 3. Here we use the third law, a raised to m whole raised to n, that is a raised to m into n, that is 3 raised to 2 into 3, that is 3 raised to 6. Now here a raised to 0 plus b raised to 0 plus c raised to 0 plus d raised to 0. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So here 4, this any number raised to 0 is 1. So answer is 4. Here it is 25 raised to 3 divided by 125. So 25 we can write 5 square. Okay, 25 we can write in exponential form 5 square. So 5 square whole raised to 3 divided by 125 we can write 5 raised to 3. Its exponential form is 5 into 5. Okay, so you know 25 is 5 into 5, that is 5 square, and 125 is one more time 5 will come. 5 into 5, 25, 5s are 125. So here we use the third law, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n, that is 5 raised to 2 into 3, that is 5 raised to 6. Now we can use second law, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that means a raised to m minus n. A is 5, m is 6 and n is 3. So 5 raised to 3 final answer. Now express it exponential form. It is given 2401. So exponential form means you have to write, mostly we are writing with the prime numbers. Okay, so here you know we cannot do by 2 because it is an odd number, and we cannot do by 3 because sum is not divisible. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 is coming. 7 is not divisible by 3. Units place digit is not 5. So we cannot do by 5. Now try by 7. Yes, it is going. 7 3s are 21. 3 remainder 30. 7 4s are 28. Then 2 remainder 21, 7 3s are. Again we can do by 7 4s are 28, 6 remainder 63, 7 9s are. If it is 49, then you know how to factorize. So how many times 7 is coming? 4 times. So what is its exponential for 7 raised to 4? Now express in standard form. Standard form means only the number, this should be the number you have to bring in 1 and 10. That means here it is actually 6,78,000. So we have to write like this. You know it is. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit is going after the decimal. So 7, 8, 3, 4, 5 into 10 raised to 5. Because 5 digits went after the decimal. 6.7835 into 10 raised to 5.